This morning, our top focus is on the investigation into the Ambani bomb scare case. In another twist that's emerged, Hiren Mansukh, who was the owner of the vehicle which had explosives and which was found parked near Mukesh Ambani's residence last week, he's been found dead in a creek in neighbouring Thane on Friday. Here are all the details.
An explosive-laden SUV spotted outside the house of India's richest man sent Mumbai's security establishment into a tizzy. And the mystery behind the bomb scare near Mukesh Ambani's residence has deepened. Mansukh Hiren, the man whose car was used to plant gelatin sticks outside Antillia, has been found dead.
Postmortem complete हो गया है and they have kept the opinion reserved. जैसे ही हमको पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट्स आ जाएंगे we'll आपको बता देंगे.
According to the police, Hiren's face was wrapped in 5 handkerchiefs. Hiren's family says the death can't be due to suicide, as his last location was in Virar, which is far away from Thane.
पुलिस वालों ने जो बताया कि उन्होंने आत्महत्या की है, वो कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते ऐसा. और ये जो उन्होंने उनके बारे में जो ये अफवाह उन्होंने फैलाई है, बहुत गलत फैलाई है. क्योंकि इसकी इंक्वायरी तय तक होनी चाहिए. ये मेरा सच तक जाने का मेरा एक है कि और हमारी पूरी फैमिली पे इस पे इफेक्ट हो रहा है.
Hiren's death comes just 2 days after the investigating officer heading the probe into the bomb scare was changed. Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Vaze, who was earlier heading the probe, hinted Hiren was being harassed.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लिखा था, बट मेरे ख्याल से कमिश्नर थाने और हमारे कमिश्नर साहब को उन्होंने रिटर्न कंप्लेंट दी है, ऐसा मुझे मालूम, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, गारंटी नहीं. सेइंग की उसकी मानसिक स्थिति ठीक नहीं है एंड उसको पत्रकार और पुलिस बार-बार ये करके परेशान कर रहे हैं करके.
Hours after Hiren's suspicious death, Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh issued a statement in the State Assembly. He said no injury marks have been found on Hiren's body and announced that Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad will probe his death.
उसकी पूरी जांच चालू है. बॉडी का पोस्टमार्टम करके उसके डेथ की वजह क्या है सब डिटेल मालूम पड़ेगा. पूरी टीम, एक टेक्निकल टीम उसका पोस्टमार्टम करेगी और ये पूरे जांच की जवाबदारी हमने ATS को दी है.
The opposition suspects foul play and is questioning the investigation.
मैंने यह आशंका जाहिर की कि ये जो मनसुख हिरेन है, ये मनसुख हिरेन को तुरंत सुरक्षा प्रदान की जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये इसमें की सबसे बड़ी कड़ी है और इनकी जान को खतरा हो सकता है. ये डेड बॉडी मिली है, इससे ये पूरा प्रकरण बहुत ज्यादा फिशी हो रहा है.
A week earlier, Hiren had claimed that his car was stolen before it was found at Antillia carrying explosives.
17 तारीख को शाम को मैंने गाड़ी वहाँ पे लगाई है, उसके बाद चोरी हुई है. अभी मुझे 18 तारीख को पता चला. विक्टोली पुलिस स्टेशन है, वहाँ पे कंप्लेंट. पहले सब ढूंढा 3 घंटा तक, उसके बाद में वहाँ पे कंप्लेंट.
The police have so far not revealed what the motive behind this entire incident was or how serious the threat was. But the death of Hiren Mansukh has certainly added to the mystery. With cameraman Vijay Desai and Saurav Vakhtani and Mumbai Vidya, Thane.
And let's explain to you the information that we have at hand on exactly what happened. On February 26th is when this car, an SUV found with gelatin sticks, was found close to Antillia, Mukesh Ambani's house. And soon after that, if you look at the details that the police managed to trace, on March 4th, in Vikas Palm Housing Society in Thane was spotted outside their residence. And then on March 4th, the last location was found to be Virar of the SUV owner. And unfortunately, the very next day, he's been found dead in Thane at the Kalwa Creek Bridge. So this is the information we have about the vehicle as well as its owner, Hiren Mansukh. Let's take this across to Mustafa Sheikh, who's joining us live from Mumbai with more details. Mustafa, good morning. A lot of questions that are arising in this particular case. What is the car owner's role? It was clear he had filed a complaint also before this, and that's how they managed to trace the vehicle to him. But has the police really been able to establish if this is confirmed to be a case of suicide?
Well, Akshata, it's too early to say what kind of a case is this. His connections with the Ambani case, which is not yet solved, and this person being found dead is a mystery, a crime mystery which the Mumbai police at least has not seen in many years now. Both cases have now become high profile and they have to be related. Now, what was the reason for his suicide, and if there is any foul play, who was behind it? There are a lot of questions at this point of time to be answered, but we'll have to wait for the Maharashtra ATS to start their probe in this entire matter, and only then I think the informations will start coming out as to what really happened. If it's a only case of suicide, then it's believed that he was under pressure and hence he has committed suicide. That pressure was after his car was found outside Antila. But only that was the reason, or something else is something. We'll have to wait for the investigations to progress. Back to you.
Okay, and we'll be tracking the latest that comes in. Mustafa, thank you for those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.